Solid RK Smokey Bar and Resto. Look at this! Dami guys, solid.
Nanababo ka Balen, welcome to Wern, Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, we are back dito po sa RK Smokey Bar and Bistro dito sa May Angeles City. Dahil meron po silang invitation for us to try yung kanilang al fresco dining. We're gonna experience yung kanilang sikat na smoke barbecues and a lot more. But this time, we're gonna be dining near the pool. So guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! This is their added or extended dining area. If you notice guys, near the pool area tayo. Before this was RK Resort. Right now they've converted it into additional dining area dahil nga sobrang jam-pack yung main dining area natin dito. Samahan niyo kami guys. It's gonna be fun.
This is our table. Sabi nga doon sa introduction natin, nandito tayo ngayon sa RK Smokey. And this is our... So, dami na, no? Pang ilang beses na natin to. But this time, nakadine nga tayo sa kanilang al fresco, which is poolside. So, patingin mo nga, cameraman, mabilis lang tayo. And back to the table. Look at this. Let me introduce you guys isa-isa. Since virtually guys, I'm just alone, no? Hindi ko ito mauubos, but let me inform you or let you know ano ba yung mga sinerve natin dito, just in case magustuhan po ninyo. You're gonna order them from the restaurant. So, starting from my left to the right side, I think this is the least to the best. So, starting from this one, ito yung chicken pesto pasta. Meron din tayong tacos, mga soft shell tacos. We have variants for chicken and beef. This is nachos, dirty nachos. Ayan guys. Meron din silang mga burritos. Again, available beef and chicken. Meron tayong marble potatoes. And then this one, ito yung pesto quesadillas nila. So for those who are, you know, actually si Tex-Mex talaga yung sinoserve ni RK Smokey. And then in front of you, ayan dito, meron tayong dirty chicken. Meron din ng dirty rice, pero this is eatable, no? Meron din tayong steak. Ayan. So meron tayong ribeye steak. Grabe, earlier dumating to guys, this is it's still oozing na. Isa sa mga bestseller nila sa mga platter is this one. Platter number 3. What does it include? Meron tayong smoked sausage, smoked pork skewers. We also have smoked dinosaur ribs, which is this one. Meron tayong white Alabama sauce. Meron tayong barbecue sauce. Meron din dito. Smoked Angus belly or beef brisket, whichever is available. But this is platter number 3, which is shareable para sa akin. 2 to 3 person, no? Pagdating nyo dito guys, I think order na lang kayo ng chicken and rice. Another from the a la carte, yung chili corn, yan, Mexican. Another burrito. And then on my right, ito yung kanilang unlimited. Guys, for only 799 pesos, what do you have? So meron tayong pork belly, we have sausage, we have pork skewers, beef Angus belly, we have dirty chicken, mashed potato, dirty rice, corn cob, beans, mga dips. So for only 799 pesos. But if you come here between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., meron silang unlimited iced tea and Angus beef belly. That's gonna be unlimited. So yun yung kanilang tinatawag na happy hour. Okay, so guys, alam ko gutom na kayo. Doon pa lang sa mga pinakita namin mga b-roll sa inyo. So what else should we do? Let's try this. I wanna start with sa kanilang skewers. This is one of the best. So in itself, no need for, you know, dip or sauce. Sobrang lasa na nito, but it's up to you guys if you wanna, you know, add more flavor. Let's continue with our steak. Look at that. Ay, grabe. Let's dip it sa kanilang gravy. The meat itself, it's super tender, super tender. It's up to you guys kung ano naman yung gusto nyong doneness. Okay, I wanna try their quesadillas. Ayan. Look at this, it's so messy. Let's put in our salsa. Ooh, I think okay sa akin yun. Parang mas okay sa akin yun, I like that. Okay, let's try it. Yung salsa natin, it's acidic, sour, and at the same time, sweet. Super fresh yung ano natin, mga tomatoes natin. And then the quesadilla itself, super meaty. Dami niyang meat inside. And then on top, yung pesto, yung cheese. Okay, for their drinks, of course, we have some refreshment. This is watermelon. This is lemon base. So, let's go to their platters. Tawag nga talaga dito ay dinosaur ribs. Don't get it wrong, it's not really dinosaur, yung size talaga niya. Hey, look at that. Ooh. Ay, grabe. Look at the meat, no? Layer of pink, may brown, may dark brown, and yung parang almost burn ng smoke, which adds more flavor into it. This huge chunk, let's try it here. Alright. Ooh, grabe. Wow. Sobrang lambot, guys. Sobrang lambot. Beef, Angus belly. If you notice yung layer niya, ayan guys. Pink, brown, and then pink, and then dark brown. Alright. Ooh. Wow. So, ito na naman yung kanilang mga sausages. So, take note guys. These sausages are homemade. And look at that. And then let's dip it here. Cheers, guys. Alright, so let's try their burrito. Oh, man. Cheesy, creamy. Sobrang jam pack. Sobrang jam pack, guys. Put it on top just like that. Ay, grabe. Sarap nito.